Welcome to the official unboxing of the Pininfarina Senso Hybrid watch. In this video, we'll take you through all the steps so you can experience the elegance and sophistication of this remarkable timepiece firsthand. Let's begin by carefully removing the protective seal from the box. Gently peel off the seal, ensuring not to damage the packaging. Now, slide off the outer sleeve to reveal the beautifully crafted presentation box. Open the box to unveil the Senso Hybrid watch, elegantly displayed on a cushioned platform. Carefully lift the Senso Hybrid watch from its cushion and take a moment to appreciate its weight and feel in your hand. Now, let's explore the additional contents of the box. Lift the lid next to the watch that has an embossed lightning icon. Underneath, you will find a compartment that contains the charger and the charging cable. Please note that it is important to use the provided charging cable to ensure compatibility and optimum charging performance. Next, take out the user guide. We highly recommend you spend some time familiarizing yourself with the watch's features and functions, as outlined in the guide. Finally, we've included a high-quality microfiber cloth to help you keep your Senso Hybrid watch looking pristine. Use it to gently clean the watch face and casing, ensuring your timepiece remains as stunning as the day you unboxed it. We hope you enjoy your new Pininfarina Senso Hybrid watch. With its perfect balance of timeless design and cutting-edge technology, this exceptional timepiece will elevate your style and enhance your daily life.